Hi, I'm Sharanya. I completed my graduation in 2022 at the Vignan Institute of Technology and Science at the stream of Electronics and Communication and Engineering. After completion of my graduation, I joined in QJSpiders Dilsukhnagar and taken the course of Full Stack Java, and I don't have any 0% knowledge of the technical skills. They learned me all the technical skills on Java, SQL, web technologies, and advanced Java. After completion of my course, I attended interviews and I got placed in one of those interviews in Focus Softnet company as an SQL developer. The trainers have helped me to got placed in that company, and they motivated me so much to place in that company.